Welcome, welcome. We're going to talk fall fringe because fringe is everywhere for fall and it's so fun and it's just cute. So we're going to start off with a couple pictures just to show you how it's being done. And this first one, you can see it's layered over fabric. And you can, so in other words, you can cut another layer just to fringe and not expose what's underneath. And I'm going to show you how I did it, and then you can decide how you want to do it because it's just a lot of fun. If we look at the second photo, you can see that fringe is being used instead of hemming. They're just being left plain at the bottom. And I love it. I think it's fun. We as sewers really know that we're always looking for different bottom treatments, and this would be perfect. Just fringe it out. You're going to run a little line of stitching to stop the fringing from continuing, otherwise it will fringe forever. But it's just, again, easy to do. So I took a look at the new fall patterns, and this one we're going to take a look at is 223. And we're going to see that we're going to fringe this. So we're going to turn it around to the back, look at the back of the envelope. And this is called Klein zippered tunic. And the back, you can see what I did is I just took that front piece, just the piece that was here at the bottom, and I used a fabric. This is a brand new fabric. We just put it up. It's a mostly cotton. It's a sweater rib knit. It's just really lovely. It has stretch in one direction. So you can see how I drew the stripe on that piece. That's how I placed it on the fabric. Just so it was different. Everything else was going around because the stretch is going around the body. And so you can see how I drew the red. That's the direction of the stripe, just for that one piece. Now, if we remember what that skirt looked like, I could have done a piece underneath it and then done the fringe, but I didn't. Look at the next picture. It's a close-up. I know you all say you can never see when I have dark. I get that. You can never see when I have dark. So I took pictures and I lightened this picture so that you could clearly see how the fringe looks. And I didn't put a piece behind it. I think it would look fabulous with a piece behind it if you wanted to do it that way. But I went ahead and left it to where what you would see is whatever you had on underneath it. So if that's leggings or whatever it is, you can kind of do a peekaboo of what's underneath. And I thought it'd be really cute if you did it in light colors and saw, remember, your ideas, my ideas, you go from there, you take it from there. So fringe for fall is a great trend. Pattern number 223 is easy to do it with, and they're on sale right now. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.